Our concrete slab is looking nice. Yes, it is. We finished painting it yesterday. Tackling a project of cleaning off my concrete slab, getting ready to paint it and set up a nice patio area out here for the summer. Spring and summer area. I had to clean this up because I'm ready to get out here and enjoy my outdoor area. It's gonna be a major job. This is the beginning. Get it cleaned off and got all the grass and weeds that was getting into the cracks. Pulled all of them out. Let me get busy cleaning this concrete slab. Get it ready to be painted soon. Part of my DIY project here with this concrete patio slab, had to carve some of these cracks. Carve these cracks here. Gotta get me some more carton now. Ran out. Part of my concrete slab painting project that I'm working on and filling in a lot of the cracked concrete with caulking, I'm going to use some all-purpose sand as a filler and then come over it with some more caulking to seal it in before I paint the concrete. See, the sand is working as a filler on this joint line, and it's going to help keep out a lot of weeds and ants from growing in here, because I'm going to caulk it over with sealer over the sand, and that's going to be the filler is going to be underneath that caulking. It's going to help keep the weeds out and keep the ants from coming in as well. Let me get finished filling in this concrete joint line with the sand. Then I can finish working on the other cracks on the concrete, and then I'm gonna start painting. It'll be a long day's job. Yes, it is. Brush that sand back over there so it won't be any sand on the concrete when I'm painting. Getting ready to paint over my concrete slab. This is gonna be a day's work here. Big day's work. Let me get it started. Make it look a lot better. Thanks to my husband, we're getting this concrete slab painted today. One side first coat down. Still have this side to go. We're getting it together. Gonna make it look nice. Bye-bye to my garden beds pallets over there. Getting ready to form a new design over on this side of the garden. We're also getting our backyard together for the summer. Gonna have me a gazebo out here and a barbecue grill gazebo. We're adding some new fencing over here, and I'm gonna have add my metal raised beds over in this section here.